Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to review Cogniflow. Cogniflow is a tool by which you can build your no-code AI model to boost your productivity on any budget. And you can basically build any type of AI model from text, image, or audio by using this tool without any coding. Also, you can create your custom AI model by using this tool they are claiming. And they're saying that Cogniflow gives you the tools to build any AI model from text, audio, or images without writing a single line of code. So we will explore how it works after some time, guys. But if you see the lifetime deal pricing of Cogniflow here, they are offering up to license tier 5, and see the license tier 1 pricing is only 79 USD, and here you will get 15,000 prediction per month, 50 training hours per month, 5 users. And if you need more limit, then you have to get more tier basically here. And see there, if I select license tier 3, then there have another feature, active learning. The AI of this Cogniflow will actively learn your AI model basically, your work basically, by using this feature here. So I think the license tier 3 is perfect if you want this active learning feature also, and it's very important in case of repetitive works. So these are the things. Now without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Cogniflow, guys, and let's explore how things works here and how it can be helpful for you. And this tool has been launched on AppSumo just today, a few hours ago, and there is no review yet. That's why I cannot show you any review. These are the things. Now I'm going to the dashboard. This is the dashboard. See here, if you click on this start here, it will instruct you step by step how you can set up these things, but I'll show you how you can set up these things. At first you will see this dashboard, and here if you click here my experiments, then here you will see all your experiments basically. But as this is a completely new dashboard, that's why there is no experiments, and there have some public experiments. That means these are the pre-built experiments. See, there have cheat the AI, there have a Latin extract text from image and English extract text from image, there have object identification from image, there have electroceptor classification in weakly electric fish, emotion detection in text, detect toxic languages, identify sounds, then spoken language identification, English, and yes is maybe Espanol, and then extract information from text, identify from 176 languages, programming language identification, translation, this language translation, and translation English to Spanish, sentiment analysis, then sentiment analysis, this one is without neutral and this one is with neutral I think, and this one is voz a texto. So maybe this is for another language. This is actually speech to text in any other language. I think I'm not familiar with this language, guys. And this is on speech to text feature. Now we will explore some feature from here, guys. Let's say I will explore this one, extract text from image. They have Latin option and they have English option. So as I'm familiar with English, that's why I'll select this one. Just click here, and then here you will see what is the accuracy, and you can see the average inference time. And then if I click here view model detail, then you can see more details about this model basically. And if you want to use this model, just click here use model. But before that, see they have details option. If I go to this detail option, then you will see basically what these things will do: extract text from image and PDF using paddle OCR. So let me open this one. Just click here use this model, and then here we have to insert the image. Let me insert one image here. Let's say I will use here this email, let it be uploaded. See, this is the image, and here single inbox for your email. And see, if I just hover over on the text, then it will be highlighted, single inbox for all your emails, lifetime deal. So here for all, see this text, it cannot separate. So if I here increase the confidence threshold, let's see what will happen. If I here see, they have option for capture camera. So here you can also capture the camera, and if I increase the confidence threshold, they're saying this is the minimum confidence value for a text to display its bounding box. But the thing is, this for all text they cannot separate. These are the things. I hope you get idea. You can download the result here. Just click here, then you will get the result in a CSV format. I hope you get idea, guys. And then they have integration, and see they're saying copy and paste this code into your project to consume from our API. I'll show you how you can use their API also, and see these are the codes. They have JavaScript code, Curl code, Python, Node.js, and C Sharp code. These are the things. I hope you get idea. You can copy the text from here. Now if I go back to my experiment, these are the experiment. Basically this extract text from image. In this way you have to use the experiments. Then they have identify objects in images. So here I will upload one object, and I will see how it can be identified. So let me open it, and then here if I click here use this model, and here I have to upload the image. At first I will upload here one simple image, and then I will upload here one complex image, and I will show you how it works and how good it to detect the object. So let it be uploaded, and there have only two object. See, truck and vase. They're saying this one is vase. Okay, this one is vase, and this one is truck. So these are the things, guys, and here they are giving boxes, labels, and a score also they are giving. I hope you get idea, guys. Now they have integration similarly that we have been explored previously. Now I will upload here one complex image where I have a lot of object. Let me upload. So let it be uploaded. See, here this is the image, but from here only one object has been detected, but there have a lot of object, right? See, they have a lot of object. They have bag, they have shoes, they have uh, a lot of things there are available, guys. They have pie charts, they have papers. So it cannot detect every single thing from here. So I think if the image is very complex, if in the image there have a lot of object, then it cannot detect. But if the image is simple, then it can detect the object. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, guys, about this identify object in images option. And now what are the other features are available? Let me explore. See, they have emotion detection in text. Okay, so let me use this one. Let me detect the emotion, and then if I click here use the model, here I have to insert the text. So let me find some text from my Twitter. Let's say, okay, let me go to my profile and let me just copy some text, guys. Let me copy this simple text, and let's see what will happen. Okay, let me delete these things, and then if I just click here paste this text, let's see what will happen. Neutral, they are saying neutral. I think this is neutral. Okay, let me give some another text. Let's say I will go to the profile of Barack Obama. Barack Obama. Yeah, let's say this one. Because why I am going here, because in this type of tweets there have many controversy, many type of conflict. That's why, because they are political. So let's say I'll copy this one, and then I will paste it. Just click here on the button, and they're saying that it's admiration. And let's see, Labor Day is about celebrating the working class men and women whose grit and resilience built our country and made our economic progress possible. Yes, it's kind of admiration. That's great, guys. Now let me find another one from here. Let's say I will find, let's say I'll use this one. Let me copy it, and then I will paste it here. See here, they are saying that it's neutral, and let me read the text. The NBA announced that no games will be played on election day this session. The decision comes in an effort to promote non-partisan civic engagement and encouraging fans to make a plan to vote during midterm election. Um, Here they're saying it's neutral. So these are the things, guys. In this way, you can use this emotion detection feature from a text. I hope you get idea, guys. Similarly, they have detect toxic language, they have identify sounds, they have spoken language identification, they have extract information from text, then identify from 176 language, and programming language detection. So this one is very easy. Programming language detection, we can detect it without using any tool, I think. And then they have translation options. So they have a lot of plenty of translation software free. And then they have translation English to Spanish. We can use Google Translate, right? Then they have sentimental analysis without neutral. So this one is good, I think. So let me use this sentiment analysis feature, guys. Just click here, use this model, and here I have to insert some text. Okay, let me find some text. Let's say I will use some text from here. This is some text from New York Times, guys. Let me copy these things. Let me copy, and then I will paste it here. And then if I click here, paste this text, let's see what will happen. And then they are saying it's negative. So the sentiment is negative. This is the only thing that they are saying. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, guys. After that, let me explore what have more. They have speech to text, and they have in another language, maybe in Spanish, speech to text. I hope you get idea, guys. Now I will show you how you can create your own experiment. See, they have option for create new experiment. Just click here, create new experiment. Then they have three option: image based, text based, and audio based. Let's say we will use here text based, and then text classification is one option. You can create this experiment. They're saying create an experiment that uses text entries and their labels as input to learn how to categorize them. And another option is knowledge base for question answering. Create a knowledge base from unlabeled text documents that you can use later to ask open question about topics in it. Okay, so here they're saying see sample text experiment. Let me open it and let me see the sample text. So I have been opened the second one, sample text. Let me see what will be load here. See, here is the result, guys. You can question here, is AI something positive? And then it will answer, I do not see AI as a replacement for human work. It is a positive transformation. Sure, many jobs today won't exist in the future because AI will take over routine tasks. So this type of things you will get basically if you use the second one. If I open the first one, that means text classification. Let's see what will happen. Here, by using the first one, you can create your sentiment analysis template. You can create your experiment template. You can create your see different types of experiment template you can create basically. So let me explore the second one right now, guys. Just click here, create experiment, and here give the experiment name. Let's say experiment one, and then here description. Let's say description here, and you can upload your own image here if you want. Let me upload. Let's say this is my image. See, it will be uploaded. So these are the things. And then if I click here next step, here they are saying that upload your knowledge base. There have some example also. I'll download it and then upload it. Let me upload it, and then let's see what will happen. Okay, let me click here next step, and then create and run experiment. Let me click here. So they are saying that now the experiment is acquiring execution resources and it will start shortly. So um, yet it haven't started basically, and they have data set and they have details. So these are the things. I hope you get idea, guys. And in this way you can create here your own experiment, and all your experiments you will get here basically in the my experiment section. And they're saying that you can do a lot of AI model building things by using this tool. So you can try this tool, and then if you think this tool will be helpful in case of your productivity, in case of your time saving, or in anything, then you can get this Cogniflow lifetime deal from AppSumo, guys. And there's have some amazing feature. See, they have sentiment analysis feature, I like it. And then they have extract text from images. Sometimes this feature is also very helpful. Also you can create your own experiment here. This feature is also amazing. So these are the things, guys. I'll give the link of this Cogniflow lifetime deal in the description of this video. If you think you need this tool to boost your productivity, then you can get this Cogniflow lifetime deal with 10% discount. I'll give the link of this deal in the description of this video. And it's an affiliate link, as if you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional cost. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.